What a time to be alive. What's going on, guys? I want to talk to you a little bit about why right now is the best time to be alive. Why is the best time to go after what you want. But first, coffee. Never not working, guys. Plant-based gains, bruh. Gains, bruh. Look at that. These are vegan pancakes topped with fruit and coconut flakes. We got the organic maple syrup. Thanks to the Shwee.
And the apple maple sausages.
Oh yes, sorry, I didn't see that. Tucked behind the meatless meat. Boom.
Gates.
There's Padre. Just gonna go get a workout in. It is a beautiful day. I'm heading to the gym right now. And then I got some stuff to take care of in the city. There you go. And so getting into the first reason why it's the best time to be alive right now is because all of the tools we have at our disposal with easy access to, we can literally work and make an extraordinary amount of money from our phones, our laptops. You don't have to go to the office. You don't have to be in corporate America to make a living and live the life of your dreams, whatever that is for you. So that's my first reason, guys. All the tools we have at our disposal, and I don't think that everyone is taking advantage of them. So I'm gonna go get a quick full body workout in right now, and I will catch up with you after that. Let go. All aboard, baby. Woo! What's going on, guys? Got back from the gym, just at home, helped Lily film a workout video, so make sure to keep an eye out for that. It's gonna be her current workout routine. It's an at-home workout, something that I kind of gave her just a little circuit, as you guys saw in my other video, but she kind of goes a little more in depth, lists all her exercises, then you get to just see her do her thing. My second point about why it's the best time to be alive, and it kind of piggybacks off the first tip, which is the technology we have to give us access to the tools we need, right? You can use those tools and be your own boss. You can create your own schedule. All right, time freedom is what I'm after. It's what many people are after, and with time freedom, also financial freedom, right? Right now, I'm obviously working at a 9-to-5 job, and I still have to do that to pay my bills. But I do have side hustles going on, businesses. I don't like to call them side hustles because that kind of, you know, makes it seem like I'm trying to make $20 or something, you know. They're legit businesses, YouTube and, you know, social media being one of those, and the other also being real estate, investing and doing the rentals. Guys, you can use that technology to your advantage and be your own boss. You don't need a college degree. You don't need, you know, a fantastic resume. But okay, so Lily and I are going to paint night with some of our family, and I'll give you my third tip a little bit later. Gotta get that kick, baby. So Lily's currently editing her video right now. I am all ready to go to paint night. Hopefully I don't get paint on this shirt. It's just a plain maroon shirt that I got from Primark for like $4, so even if I get paint on it, it's not that big of a deal. But I'll give you the third reason why it is the best time to be alive after paint night. So let's go. So right now, we're walking over to the place. What's the name of it?
Muse.
Muse in Hingham. So we're at paint night right now. We're painting a, I don't know if you guys can see it, like a sunset with like palm trees
So far
on the water.
it's looking like a smeared diarrhea across
Yeah, it just looks like ass cheeks. Sat down on this canvas. Quick update, I've managed to salvage it a little bit. Lily's still kicking my ass though.
We got some wine, we got some brushes, we got some aprons. It's a good time.
This man wants to bring back MySpace. And there you have it.
I told you, MySpace coming back. I'm gonna own that bitch. MySpace.
With this orange, we're going to add some streaks down in our water. Here's the trick of this. Hold your brush so it's flat.
Yeah, we took the apple cider vinegar shot last night.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What's up?
Little progress pic for y'all. I mean, it's not great, but it's not the worst I've ever seen, right? Lily's kicking my ass still. Kicking my ass. The finished products, not terrible, not my best work. I got my ass kicked. Check out my Instagram post.
Whoa! What the hell?
Yeah, MySpace, come.
Keep up, lips down. Keep up, lips down.
So we're leaving paint night right now. While we're here, I want to bring up the last thing that makes it the greatest time to be alive right now. The last thing is people, guys. There hasn't been a more helpful time in my life than right now. People are more than willing to help you out for absolutely $0 for free, whether it be podcasts, YouTube videos like this one, or blogs, anything. There's so much free information out there, and people are more than willing to give you that to help you out, to add value to your life. So enjoy the ride, guys. Go for what you want. Take advantage of that free information and crush it. What a time to be alive. So I realized I never made an outro to that video, so here it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope that you can resonate with those reasons why it's now the best time to be alive ever. Hope you guys agree. If you do or you don't, let me know in the comments below. Give me some reasons why you think it's the best time to be alive or not. Thank you guys again. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Thanks so much, guys.